Could a single glass of water change your health forever? What if we told you there's a golden ingredient that could strengthen your immune system, give you deeper sleep, and even cleanse your body internally? And no, it's not something your doctor commonly prescribes. It's turmeric water, an ancient remedy with modern-day powers. In this video, we're uncovering 10 amazing benefits of drinking turmeric water at night. Benefits that could change your life. Stick around until the end and we promise you'll be hooked on this ancient superfood. Let's dive in. The power of turmeric. Turmeric has been used for thousands of years, from ancient India to Europe. It's been celebrated for its healing power, packed with an active compound called curcumin. Now, science is catching up, showing how this spice could change the way we look at health. What makes turmeric so incredible? It's not just for flavoring food. It has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and immune-boosting effects. It's time we unlock the full potential of this golden herb. How to make turmeric water. Before we get to the benefits, let's quickly cover how to make turmeric water. Here's how you do it. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 glass of warm water, add a pinch of black pepper or honey. Stir it well and drink it about an hour before bed. Now, let's explore why this simple drink can work wonders. The 10 benefits. Anti-inflammatory power. Turmeric is a natural anti-inflammatory superhero. It helps reduce pain and inflammation in the body, especially after a long day. Plus, it may help prevent chronic diseases like arthritis and heart disease. Antioxidant boost. It's also a powerful antioxidant. Curcumin fights free radicals in your body, helping to slow down the aging process and prevent cell damage. You'll feel younger inside and out. Improves digestion. Turmeric water supports your digestive system by stimulating bile production and soothing your gut. No more bloating or discomfort, just smooth digestion all night long. Strengthens immunity. Want to fight off colds and infections? Turmeric's antimicrobial properties strengthen your immune system, making your body more resilient to viruses and bacteria. Detoxifies the liver. Turmeric also helps detoxify your liver, flushing out toxins and improving circulation. A cleaner liver means more energy and vitality. Supports heart health. Drinking. Turmeric water can promote heart health by improving circulation and balancing cholesterol levels. Keep your heart strong and healthy with this golden elixir. Aids weight loss. Want to shed a few pounds? Turmeric boosts metabolism, helping your body break down fat and use it more efficiently. It's the perfect weight loss support. Enhances sleep quality. Struggling to sleep? Turmeric's anti-inflammatory and calming effects help you unwind, reducing stress and promoting deep, restful sleep. Say goodbye to sleepless nights. Skin health. Turmeric is a beauty secret too. It reduces acne, fights oxidative stress, and promotes collagen production, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Regulates blood sugar. Lastly, turmeric water helps regulate blood sugar levels, improving insulin sensitivity and supporting healthy metabolism. It's a natural way to keep your blood sugar in check. Frequent asked question about turmeric water. Can I drink turmeric water every day? Yes. Drinking turmeric water daily can lead to improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and better overall health. But start slow and see how your body responds. Does turmeric water burn belly fat? While turmeric water won't target belly fat directly, it helps with weight loss by improving digestion and metabolism. It's a great addition to a balanced diet and exercise plan. How much turmeric should I use? Start with 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder per glass of water. If you're new to it, try starting with a smaller dose and gradually increase. Now that you know the incredible benefits of turmeric water, you might be wondering, could there be any dangers to this golden spice? Well, we've got you covered. Before you rush to add turmeric water to your nightly routine, it's important to know the potential risks and side effects that could surprise you. What happens if you take too much turmeric? Can it interact with other medications? What should you be cautious of? Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because in our next video, we're diving deep into the potential risks and side effects of turmeric that your doctor might not have mentioned. Hit subscribe and stay tuned for more essential health tips to keep you informed and empowered on your wellness journey.